I'm Mike Wilson with the Magic Team, answering some of the most common questions we get about taking care of your furnace. How often do I really need to change my air filter? Here's the thing, you only need to change it when the filter gets dirty, but every house is a little bit different. If you've got a bigger filter, you can probably wait longer before you have to change it. If you've got pets that shed, you may need to replace it more often. I actually just went through a remodel, and during the construction phase, while the drywall and things were being done, I was having to change my filter once a week. What I recommend you do is actually go down and check your air filter once a month. Take it out and hold it up to the light. Once it gets so dirty that you can't see light through it, you need to replace it. A dirty filter gets in the way of your furnace being able to dissipate the heat throughout the house and work the way it should. Now, if you look in the owner's manual for your furnace, in the maintenance section, you'll see something that says, in addition to the maintenance you perform, your system should be inspected regularly by a properly trained technician. And that just means that you should have your furnace tuned up at least once a year. Magic usually charges $99 to tune up your furnace, but for a limited time, if you get a hold of us and mention you saw this ad on social media, we'll save you $70 and tune up your furnace for only $29. You can find our phone number in the copy of this post. You can message us. You can even go to themagicteam.com and schedule online. So if you haven't tuned your furnace up yet, take advantage of this deal. The last thing you want this winter is your furnace breaking down, and I want to save you $70. So get a hold of Magic right now and get your furnace tuned up for only $29.